otherwise known as Diane. This is my recipe that I have for steak, and this is a marinade. And what I do is I take about 4 or 5 or 6 garlic cloves. I take olive oil, put the olive oil in the cup, balsamic vinegar, a little bit of, because I forgot the wine, a little bit of, what I say, balsamic, red wine vinegar, and burgundy wine. Okay, and then so I got the garlic in here. You mix it with the oil, the olive oil, and you put a lot of oregano, garlic powder, a little bit of salt, pepper, and I don't really add parsley. I put onion flakes in there. And then what I do is I cut the steak in squares. So you can see I made a checkerboard. And then I put the marinade on it. And it's going to be ready for the barbecue. So I leave some marinade for after the steak is done. I'm going to ask my husband to help me. Can you get a fork? Because I've got to turn the steak over. So I'm kind of like mashing the garlic into the openings of the steak. Okay, and then I'm going to need another spoon because I contaminated that one. So I do both sides of it. And then I add more. And when you're cooking this, I'm telling you, your neighbors are going to go wild because the smell is unbelievable because of the wine and the garlic.
Well, you're making me hungry.
Making my husband hungry. All right, that's it. And I'll show you when it's done. And I saved, all right, I'll put more on. And I saved a little bit for when the steak is done. All right, guys. Steak, we barbecued it, and this is the steak. I like mine medium rare, and so with the rest of my dressing, you pour it on. You can't believe how great this smells. This is actually my father's recipe. My father was a steak lover, and he used to work in New York. He was a truck driver, and he used to go down to the what was that area? Tribeca. And Tribeca was all the packing houses for the meat industry. And he used to make friends with the guys that, you know, cut the cows. And they used to give him a really good break on steaks. And he has this red... Oh, you're spilling it all over the place. Wait, it's all over here. Why is this spilling? What? Because it's full?
No, yeah, it's full.
All right, so can you put it back? You can't leave it here.